Now activity 7. Count and compare. Here we have frogs and here we have hats. First we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 frogs here. We will write here number 15. Here we have hats. Now we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 hats here. We will write here 6. Now tick the picture that is more. Here the picture is that of frog and hat. We have to tick the picture that is more. Now the frogs are 15 and the hats are 6 here. We have to tick the picture that is more. So frogs are more because 15 is more than 6. 15 is more than 6. So we will count the frog picture. We will put the tick mark here for the frog. Now next is hat here. We will put the cross mark for the less number. We have put the tick mark for the more one and cross mark for the lesser number. Next we will go for the next bit. Count and compare. Here also we have to count and compare. In this box we have brinjals. These are vegetables, brinjals, and here we have cats. First we will count the brinjals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the brinjals are in number 9. So we will write number 9 here. Next here we have cats. We will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cats here. We will write here number 10. Brinjals are 9, cats are 10. Tick the picture that is more. So brinjal is 9 and cat is 10. So which is more? Cats are more because 10 is more than 9. So we have to tick the box for the cat here. Now we have to put the cross mark for the brinjal because brinjal are less and the cat are more. 10 is more than 9. There are 10 cats here, that's why we have written 10. Here there are 9 brinjals and we have written here 9. Now 10 is more than 9. So the cats are more than brinjals. So we have put a tick mark for the cat here. We will go now for the next bit. Activity 8 is the next bit. In this what do we have? Missing numbers 1 to 50. So here there are numbers 1 to 50 but some numbers in between are missing which we have to write. Here the first number is 1. Then there is an empty box. Then there is 3. So what is the number missing here? 1, 2. 2 should be written here. So we will write here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes 5 here. So we will write here 5. 5, 6. Here next number 7. Yes, we will write 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. Next number here should be 9. 9 number is missing. So we will write here 9. After 9, 10. 10 after we will get 11. 11 is missing here. We will write number 11. After 11, 12, 13. Then comes 14. For 14 the box is empty here. We will write 14 here. 14, 15, then an empty box. So we will write here 16. Next 17, then an empty box. We will write here, after 17 we get 18. 18 after 19. 19 after 20. 20 is missing. So we will write the number 20. 21, 22, then an empty box. So we have to write after 22 what do we get? 23. So we will write 23. 24. After 24 we have an empty box, it is 25. We have to write here 25. After 25 we get 26, then 27. 27 is missing. We have to write 27. 28, 29, but 29 is missing here. We will write here 29. Next, after 29 we get 30, then 31, then 32, but 32 is missing. We will write here 32. 33, then an empty box. We will write here, after 33 what do we get? 34. Write 34. 35, then 36. After 36, 37, then 38, but 38 is missing. So we will write here 38. Then 39. Next is an empty box here. So after 39 we get 40. So we will write here 40. Next is 41. After 41, 42. We will write here 42. Next 43. We will write 43, 44, 45, 46. So we will write the number 46 here. After 46 we get 47, then 48, but 48 is missing. We will write the number 48, 49, 50. Yes. Now all the numbers are written. Now the missing numbers we have written and completed from 1 to 50. Count and compare. This is activity 9. In activity 9 we have count and compare. These are some pictures of some animals. We have lion, elephant, rhinoceros, giraffe. Lion, elephant, rhinoceros, giraffe. So there are same animals repeated here. We have to count them and write how many each animal is. First, how many? This is elephant. First we will count the elephants and write how many elephants are there in this box. 1. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. So we will count them. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephants. So there are 3 elephants. We will write here 3 under elephant. Now the next is giraffe. How many giraffes are there here? Let's count them. 1 giraffe, 2 giraffe, 3 giraffe, 4 giraffe, 5 giraffe. So there are 5 giraffes in this box. We will write number 5 for the giraffes. The next is lion. This is the lion, lion, lion and lion. We will count how many lions are there. 1 lion, 2 lion, 3 lion, 4 lion. So there are 4 lions. We will write here number 4 for the lion. Next is the rhinoceros. This is the rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. This one rhinoceros. This also rhinoceros. This also rhinoceros. And this also rhinoceros. So we will count the rhinoceros now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 rhinoceros. We will write number 7 for the rhinoceros. Now You can see there are 3 elephants, 5 giraffes, 4 lions and 7 rhinoceros. We will do the next bit now. Now we have counted how many animals are there in this box. Now we will write which has the most. So among these 4 animals, which is more in number? Rhinoceros, lion, elephant, giraffe. Which is the most? Here the rhinoceros are 7 in number. Okay. And the lions are 4 in number. The lions are 4. And the elephants are 3. The elephants are 3. And the giraffes are 5. The giraffes are 5. So which is the most here? Rhinoceros, because the rhinoceros are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 rhinoceros here. So we will put the tick mark for the rhinoceros because this is more in number. Now we will do the next bit. Which has the fewest? Now in this picture, which is the less number? We have written the more number is rhinoceros, and which is the less number now? Rhinoceros are 7 in number. The lion are 4 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elephant are 3 in number. 1, 2, 3. Giraffe are 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the less number is the elephant, which is only 3. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 elephants. So we will highlight the elephant here. Now we will do the next one. Here how many more giraffe than lion? So giraffes are 5 and lions are 4. So how many more giraffes are there? Giraffes are 5 and lions are 4. So more 1 giraffe is there. We will write number 1 here. How many fewer elephants than rhinoceros? Elephants are 3 in number and rhinoceros are 7 in number. So how many fewer elephants are there here? 4. We have 4 less elephants than rhinoceros here.